We are looking at 2014 Jeep Cherokee, and under the hood it is sometimes very hard to say what kind of wiring it has. I mean, how many separate pieces. So I'll try to show it to you. So on passenger side there is kind of short wire. See one connector. There is, let's see, where does it go to? Goes into firewall. Another connector under the wheel well, and let's see inside. So this is the short wire. Then let's go back to the front. Then there is front wire harness. So you can see it starts by the passenger headlight, goes to driver headlight, and it does disconnect. Let's see, there's connector right over here. Then there is another one wire, which one is kind of related to the fuse box. So if you can see here, and it's kind of fat wire, which one goes inside. Let's see inside. See, it's all disconnecting, and actually you can see even part number right over here. And one more wire, which one is missing from this one car? Not missing, but it's already removed. It's the wire which one goes directly on the engine.